Hey guys, so I'm Danielle Blevins, and this is the introductory video for NSG 432. I grew up in Federal Way, which is 30 minutes south of Seattle in UW, and I currently live in Ravenna near campus, just on the border of the Ravenna Park. I aspire to be an elementary teacher, hopefully between kindergarten and max second grade. I currently work at the RTW ticket office, and I have previously worked a bunch of other jobs. This is a younger me at a church camp. I have been told that I was smiley, helpful, creative as a young kid, kind of all of the above. And what I'm most curious about in taking this class and in general about kids and caregivers are how the brain develops at a young age and how caregivers can help or hurt the process. But yeah, that's about it. It's nice meeting you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.